Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we are going to assemble a DC 1.25 to 33 volt 10 ampere variable power supply using LM317 and PNP power transistor MJ2955, which is complementary of 2N3055. Whenever the load is drawing more current, the PNP power transistor MJ2955 will deliver that much current to the load and thus protecting LM317. Give proper heatsink to power transistor MJ2955 and LM317. Let's start assembling this. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. MJ2955 is available in multiple packages. Metal packaging TO3 package is good for 15 ampere rating. I am using TO220 packaging here. In the datasheet it is telling as TO220 has 15 ampere rating, but I can feel it can handle at the most 8 to 10 ampere. Give proper heatsink to this transistor. Also use thermal paste in between heatsink and transistor for providing good conductivity of heat from transistor to heatsink. Carefully apply the thermal paste in the heatsink, because if it sticks at your dress, hands, etc., it is very difficult to clean. I am using isopropyl alcohol for cleaning this. If anybody knows any other techniques, please comment on this video. Grey color thermal paste is very good for conducting heat and is having very long life. If you are not using mica sheet or insulator between transistor and heatsink, be careful not to touch the heatsink to the negative terminal, because the power transistor's metal body is connected to the collector terminal. In T220 packaging, that is the transistor that I am using here, the backside heatsink connecting terminal is connected to the collector terminal. So if the heatsink touches the negative terminal, then it will become short. So always use a mica sheet or insulator between the transistor and the heatsink. I have already created a video on how to connect the 2N3055 transistor to the heatsink. I will give the link to the video in the description box. That is a very good informative video. Usage of thick heatsink is recommended for power transistors. Also provide good ventilation to the heatsink for dissipation of heat from the heatsink. If you have any suggestions to this video, please comment on this video. Also, if you feel that this video is informative to you, then please like and share this video among your friends. I have also made a couple of videos using LM317 and 2N3055. I will give the video link in the description box. In those videos, you don't need to give heatsink to the regulator, that is LM317. But here LM317 need proper heatsink for its operation. For connections to the emitter and collector of the transistor MJ2955, use thick wire to the component legs so that it can handle 10 ampere through it. We have completed the assembling. Let's test this. We are checking the input voltage. We are giving 34.5 voltage as the input voltage to this circuit. Now I am connecting the input voltage to the circuit. The output voltage, you can see it is 33 volt. I will switch on the backlight of the multimeter for good visibility. I am changing the 5K linear control. The input voltage we have given is 34.5 voltage and maximum output voltage is 33 voltage. That is 1.5 volt difference. And the minimum voltage we can get from this circuit is 1.26 volt. We will fix the voltage to 12 volt and will give a 12 volt load into this circuit. Then we will watch how this circuit will respond to the load given to this circuit. We will give comparatively a good load which will draw 1.8 ampere from the input supply. This is the one we are giving it as the load. This is a 12 volt motor. You can see when I am connecting the load, the voltage is not even dropping. That means the circuit is giving enough current to the load. The heatsink is not hot, it is just above warm and is enough to handle this current. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.